wasting any more time, energy and huge money on graphics. In just one click, turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, realistic graphics that sell instantly. With no graphic skills, tools or budget. Latest and most advanced text-to-image model. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, ads, social media and more. Skeptical? Watch video below for real proofs. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, realistic graphics that sell instantly in one click. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, ads, social media and more, powered by latest and most advanced Model SDXL 1.0. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market while others are still using old, outdated tools and resources. Stand out from your competitors and skyrocket your reach, engagement, traffic and sales. Save thousands of dollars on costly memberships, freelancers and outsourcers. Never again waste hours looking for good stock photos. Never get sued for using copyrighted images. Get access to over 50 million royalty-free stock images, videos, 3D renders and photos that you can use for your projects. Low one-time price, launch period only. Free commercial license to sell. Use any resource for your own or client projects. Ready for massive traffic and commissions? Start here. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales with AI Graphics Factory. In just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword or phrase, select from our 30+ different and unique styles and click Generate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates amazing graphics and displays them. Select, edit, modify with our powerful inbuilt image editor. Step 3. Download or share directly to your blog, website, social media, anywhere you want and skyrocket your engagement, traffic and sales. Few months back, I stumbled upon a Reddit thread that changed the way I look at graphics. More on that later. But, I have good news for you today. The way you create graphics and design your sites, ads and campaigns is about to change forever. And not just any graphics, but mind-blowing ones that will engage your audience, generate leads and drive sales. There is a brand new, innovative and AI-powered way to create high-quality graphics instantly with no graphic skills or tools. Just by turning simple words into unique images, graphics, illustrations, artworks and photos instantly in one click. And it's already happening. Every day, more and more people are turning to artificial intelligence for creating graphics, designs, and visuals. The AI revolution is fast becoming the new normal in the graphic design industry, and if you don't keep up, you're going to be left behind. Only dumb people are still trying to do it all manually with Photoshop, GIMP, Canva and other graphic design tools. And today I'm going to show you how to tap into this new revolution and become a pro graphics creator, skyrocket your business, get noticed and generate more leads and sales. From the desk of Yogesh Agarwal. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I am grateful to be able to help over 120,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $3 million in sales in just the last 4 years.